You never really know what's going to occur, and having that security blanket, that peace of mind, to know that our food won't spoil, to know that we'll have constant energy temperatures throughout the home, those types of securities you really can't put a price on. My name is Jason Reese. My wife and I have lived in Olympia for about 15 years. We moved here as my last duty station when I left the military. I spent about 14 years on active duty. Of course, military operations are always thinking about emergency preparedness, contingency operations, and so I wanted to take that same philosophy, mentality, and not just put it to practice in my work environment, but also use it in our home environment. We definitely knew that we wanted to do solar energy, but also recognized that solar doesn't give us quite the versatility we were looking for. If the energy grid goes down, we've got energy that's being produced but can't be consumed.
I love it when a customer brings to us a particularly challenging energy storage project that the other companies in Washington are afraid to touch. My name is Randy Sprout, co-founder of Clean Energy Innovators. Jason Reese came to us with his vision for being one of the first in the country to seamlessly integrate a generator with battery storage and solar. We immediately recommended PWRcell. All components are made by one company under one umbrella as opposed to several.
During the summer, we're using the self-supply mode, which means our house is running off of the energy. So when power goes out, we don't even have a flicker.
Really, we don't notice when it goes out. It is such a smooth transition. The only reason I know is because my neighbor will text me and say, "Hey, is your power out?" And I would look down and notice every other house is dark, and she's very jealous of our system.
What really makes this project stand out isn't just where it's located, it's more so they're making use of everything that our platform has to offer. This is a very large PV array, I believe it's around 23 kW. They're also using 36 kilowatt hours of storage, and they're integrating it with the generator, and they're leveraging our Power Manager load management device. So they're truly leveraging the entire suite of products that we offer.
If we didn't have the generator, we'd really be dead in the water. In our winters, we have pretty short days. We may wind up going 3 or 4 days to recharge the batteries with no energy usage. So having the generator takes that completely off the table. We'll be recharged within a couple hours.
Jason and Danielle's system is pretty magnificent for a residential site. This system brings the highest levels of energy resiliency as well as substantially eliminating annual electricity costs.
I can't say enough good things about Clean Energy Innovators. Hands down, time and time again, I would have Randy and his team come back. The communication was spectacular, the professionalism was unmatched.
I love telling customers why we focus exclusively on Generac. With more than 65 years of history as a stable, reliable USA manufacturer, Generac is the only leading battery supplier that's been around for longer than its own product warranty.
I really believe this is the way of the future. We now have the ability to recharge those batteries on a daily basis, and really draws out the time that we can be energy independent.